Hello everybody, my name is Emre and welcome to one new video. Today I wanna show you how you can make curly potato chips at home. So how you see, I have one machine for it, but I will also show you how you can make it without the machine. So let's do first with the machine, and after I'm gonna show you how you can make that easy without the machine. So this is the machine. For the machine we're gonna need one simple potato. It's better if it's circle. If you don't have circle potato, it doesn't matter actually. So then you put to center of the potato. The first potato, now I'm gonna do the second one. Now I wanna show you how you can make without the machine. Take one stick, put center of the potato inside. It's gonna be a little bit hard, and take care of your hand. So if you bring it to the center already, take one knife, place it to the stick and turn it gently. If you want, you can also peel the skin before out. What we have to do now, put a large board to the heat. I have here these wood sticks. Just put to that hole. And after, gently open it. So guys, I think it's enough hot. Just be careful, how you drop the potato inside, it can become so much water up. That's why don't burn yourself. Crispy and delicious, but I don't want you say me you fry some potato. That's why I'm gonna do some spice for them and some sauce next to it. So spice mix, how you can do spice mix? Hoeori. This is oregano, mint, salt, and the mostly important smoked paprika. If you wanna do chips, little bit of smoked paprika, because this is very intensive. Mint, salt, because potato need a lot of salt, and curry. Just a little bit, not too much. So now the potatoes are so intensive, that's why I have to do some balance for that. Sour cream, make one hole here, then add little bit of mint, You can add also some lemon zest on it, lime, whatever. I'm gonna let it simple today.